Alright guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is V. So today's video is going to be all about this particular palette by none other than, bam, Pat McGrath Labs. Mthrshp Sublime Bronze Ambition palette. That's too many words, Pat McGrath. But yes, this palette is probably her most wearable palette out of all of her palettes. So if this is your first time ever buying a Pat McGrath palette, I'd probably suggest this one. This is the look. I kind of threw it on today with a very bold lip. This is kind of like the eye look that I go for on the daily if I'm not wanting to think, if I don't want to be extra, just want to look cute and pulled together. This is the look that I kind of go for, and these colors match this look perfectly because they're just super wearable and they go on every skin tone. There's like no way to mess up, even if you wanted to mess up. So if you want to learn how to do this look, keep on watching. Alright guys, so my foundation, contour, and brows are on. If you have any questions about how I do my foundation, I'll link that video down below. So today's focus for the day is going to be another Pat McGrath palette. This one is called the Mthrshp Sublime Bronze Ambition. So I have been using this for a few weeks now and I love it. The colors are so pretty. They're like very wearable. If I was going to choose one palette and you're not a big makeup junkie and you just want an everyday kind of palette to wear, I would totally do this one. So the first thing to do with this look is I am going to take this tan color in the palette and just pop it right into the crease. And this look is going to be like a really not natural, but like a day glam kind of look. I don't want it to be like overly extra today. So, you know, I film these videos like right before I go to work. So this is how I kind of am able to film videos but still work. I'm taking this Makeup Shack brush, T43, and just kind of popping it right into the crease. So I'm going to take the same color and run it across the bottom lash line using a 219 brush from MAC. And this really is like one of my go-to looks when I'm like kind of in a rush or I don't know what kind of look to do. This is kind of what I'll do on the daily if I just want to kind of throw something on but look pulled together. And then I'm just going to pop, which color should I do here? Maybe I should do like this kind of golden, can you see that? That golden color? That's pretty, right? Yeah, I think I'll do that. It's so pretty. Yeah, that's really pretty. So I'm just going to take a flat eyeshadow brush. Which one to use? Which one to use? Alright, so I'm going to take that same color and just kind of pop it right onto the lid using this flat Shumore brush. So I'm just taking this 239 brush and I'm just kind of like applying the shadow in a more precise way and to kind of make certain areas more pigmented than others. I'm going to go back into the Makeup Shack brush and I'm just going to blend the edges out. Now I'm going to take kind of a smaller, I'm taking this Morphe M514 brush. And I'm going to go into the dark color in this palette and just kind of do like an outer corner. And just kind of connect it at the bottom. Blend it out a little bit. How do you like these earrings? Are these earrings super cute? I just got them at Nordstrom Rack. Aren't they totally giving like 80s hip hop vibes? I love them. I thought they were so cute. And they're like only 10 bucks at Nordstrom Rack. I think they're super cute. I like them. I think it complements this look very well. So I'm also going to take this brush from Makeup Shack. This is a T65. Go back into that same dark color. And I'm just going to do like a quick liner. This is like my favorite way to do like a liner look without having to bust out an eyeliner. So just kind of run it across the lashes. Done. with that. Those eyeshadows were so easy to blend. Like, it was like, boom, done. Let me just get a blush. Let me get my lashes and some mascara. All right, so for blush, I am going to use Dior blush in number 849. Again, when doing blush, I kind of do like X's and then I go into like a check mark to really give it that really pretty natural application. Now we're gonna do some mascara, curl my lashes real quick. Pop on some mascara. Using my good old favorite MAC Giga Lash. Alright, let me put some glue on these lashes. So I'm using, which lashes am I using? I am using Cocoa Lashes. Forgot what this particular style was called. But I'm using Cocoa Lashes. I'll put it down below. So I'm trying to figure out like some ideas and what I can do for this channel and like do something different and fun and entertaining at the same time without, you know, because I feel like I want to like jazz it up, you know what I mean? Like I'm tired of like, it's not like I'm tired, but I feel like doing tutorials are fun, but like a million people do it. So I don't know what to do. Sorry, I'm putting glue on my lashes right now. That's why I keep looking down. But so I'm thinking of doing a few different things, like maybe bringing some makeup artists onto the channel, have a discussion, a little round table moment. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think and comment down below. I would love to hear your input on like what I can do to kind of like jazz it up and do something different. I mean, tutorials are cute, but at the same time, I feel like there's like a million people doing them, you know? I'm definitely gonna start like vlogging more too and like letting you guys see my day-to-day or like little adventures that I go to here in Vegas. You could go shopping with me for makeup, you know, things like that. So I definitely want to inject more of myself because I feel like I'm just kind of sitting here and like just telling you like, do this, you know, use this mascara, use this blush, which is fun and great also. But I feel like there's like a million places you can go to get that information as well. But, you know, I'm trying to figure out like what I can do to have fun and make this fun and still do makeup and still like do the tutorials and things like that because it is something that is part of my life and I love doing. But I just don't want it to be like a video of just tutorials, you know what I mean? So let me know down below, okay? So while my lashes are drying, I'm just gonna throw in a lip. I think I'm gonna do like a bold lip today. So I'm gonna use this color from Smashbox. It is called, it's an always on metallic matte lipstick in So Jelly. Ooh, that's pretty. These liquid matte lipsticks, though, really, truly are the most comfortable out of all the other ones that I have. Like, they don't feel drying at all. Okay, pretty. I like this color. I've never worn this color. Time for my lashes. Time for the magic. Why do lashes like transform me so? Let them dry before I pop them off. You know, like when you mess with them too much, just let them dry, bitch. Let them dry. Still wet. Still wet. Just gonna let them dry a little bit.
You inside.
I'm going away. Crazy world. It seems forever wider than the mile. Missed out Sunday. My dream maker. You're going, I'm going the same.
Chasing after our
My friend, don't worry about me. I love that song. I never get sick of hearing covers of that song. All right. Okay, so I got my lashes on. They're done. I just want a little bit of highlight. A little moment of highlight. I'm using Wet n Wild, the highlighting, the Mega Glow. A little spritzy spritz using my Smashbox primer water. Oh, so this is the look, guys. How do you like it? I feel like it's really cute. I kind of just threw it on because I'm going to work now. This is kind of like my go-to eye look, like when I'm in a rush, I don't have time to think. This is what I throw on, and that's why I love this palette, because the colors are so wearable. You can literally do this look with any of the colors in this palette. Super, super, super wearable, and an amazing quality as usual, coming from Pat McGrath Labs. Yeah, very simple and easy to do. You can throw on any lip color and it looks great. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to comment down below and let me know what is good. I hope to see you guys in the new one, and I'll see you soon. Bye.